Ready to go?
Sure.
I had to stop by the Audeze booth. You guys know Mark. You remember Mark? He's going to tell us about the MM-100.
Well, here at the Namm show, we're having a preview of our brand new MM-100 headphone model. This is sort of the evil twin baby brother of our MM-100 product. And it's only going to be $399. We plan to start shipping in June. One very cool feature is that the connector can be used on either side. So if you're a left-handed guitar player or bass player, you can have this hanging over one side or hanging over the other side. Keeps the cable out of your way. A small but really helpful thing. So this is it. See us in June and bring some money.
You can check them out at Audeze. Oh, sorry, Audeze. I keep getting the name wrong.
Audeze.
Yeah, Audeze.com. They are new, they're out, they're good.